Hello, kings and queens. Thank you so much for clicking my video. Happy New Year. This video was pre-recorded last year in December 2020. I have new videos to come, so stay tuned. Today's wig is brought to you by Hair ViVi. They was kind enough to send me this full lace human hair pre-plucked wig. Stay tuned for more details. When I opened the box, I had a cute, nice little presentation. My wig came in that silk baggie. They also was kind enough to send some goodies, and if you do purchase this wig, you get the goodies as well. I got a Hair ViVi clear silicone wig grip, 2 hair clips, a flyaway tamer that comes in the style of like a mascara bottle, rat tail comb, a edge/comb brush, and this little piece of hair with lace on it. I'm not sure what it is for, to be honest. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. Again, it's a full lace wig, so there is no tracks. They went ahead and bleached the knots on the inside at the top where the frontal is, and they also bleached the knots in the back. The lace color on this is brown. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band, so you can make it a little bit more snug or a little bit more loose. You can remove the adjustable elastic band if you want. This wig comes with no comb, so it's really good and helpful for if you want to glue all around the perimeter and do a high bun or ponytail with this wig. Like I said before, they went in and bleached the knots in the front and back. They bleached the knots so well that I cannot find one black knot. The hairline looks great. I didn't have to go in and pluck it at all. It comes like this. With most full lace wigs that I tried, they usually come with a material in the middle that makes it hard for the knots to bleach, but it still looks presentable when you part the hair. This is what the nape area looks like, and to be honest, it looks great. They did a really good job plucking the back and bleaching the back. I went ahead and took out some hairs in the back so I could go ahead and make some baby hairs. After that, I'm only going to cut the lace from the ear to the other ear in the back. I'm going to leave the lace by the forehead so I can use that to help install the wig later. I went ahead and started the ball cap method, so when I put on the wig, it can look extra realistic. Right now, I'm just trying on the wig to see how I like it and just filling it out to see what adjustments I have to make. As for the back, get a good look of it now, because later on, I am warning you, I did not do my best with the back. It was a struggle for me. The ear tabs is longer than my hairline, so I'm just going in and cutting off some of the ear tab to the shape of my ear. In the front, I am cutting the lace on the frontal part in 3 parts, so when I pull it down onto the glue, it helps me install it a little bit more easier. And I'm also going in with a lip liner. I usually use a eyeliner or a lip liner that's my skin tone, but I cannot find one right now. I'm just using that and dotting it in the parts where the hairline of the wig lays so I know where to apply the glue. I'm going in with Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I am applying the glue now, and I am going to use 2 layers of it. The first layer I put down on one side. I wait until it completely dries clear. Then I apply the second layer, blow dry it until it turns a little bit more tacky. Then it's time for the takedown. Okay, first I like to pull down the forehead, and I make sure the hairline is just a little bit further than the glue, not too far back, because after you cut the lace off, you don't want the glue to be showing, and it's just hard to like get rid of, I'm telling you. So I'd rather have a little bit more lace in the front where I could go in and apply more glue than have too much glue in the front. And after that, I take the rat tail comb and I use it to press the lace into the glue. Right here was the struggle for me. Like, I was trying to focus and I knew it wasn't going to turn out that well. I didn't have any help. All my friends was busy with work. This video is long overdue. So I was like, let me just go in and try to do it myself, and it do not look good. I know, it don't look good. But oh my God, I tried, okay? That's all that matters. Some of you guys are probably like, girl, if you know it looked bad, why would you show it? To be honest, I just wanted to show you guys like a hint of what it would look like. I know you could probably make it look better, but I just want to show you guys something. Now I'm going to tie it down for about 30 minutes and come right back to you guys. When I was doing this, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope I don't embarrass myself. But I know the back don't look great. Just let the focus be the hairline of the front. I went in and tied down the hairline again so I could get it into a nice sleek ponytail. And it's just something about that hairline that just looks so natural and fire to me. Loving the hairline. Looks super realistic. Take me away from home. Show me. I was going to fully turn around again, but then I was like, whoa. You guys already know I messed up. Let me not embarrass myself again. Hair ViVi wanted the main focus to be how the perimeter of the hairline comes pre-plucked and nicely bleached. Sorry again that I couldn't deliver with the back, but the front is giving me real hairline vibes action. The density of the wig is 150%. To me, the density is low, but you can definitely request a thicker density and click 180% on the website. The length is 18 inches. Each knot on the wig is hand tied. The hair color is a natural black. I got 0 tangling so far. As for shedding, it's not really too bad to me. It's pretty low. The lace is very nice as well. It's soft, and once you get it to match your skin, it blends in really well. Again, this wig have no combs on the inside or a elastic band in the nape area, so it makes it easy to install it as a high bun or ponytail, but you would definitely have to use glue, hard hose spray, maybe even lace tape to get the whole thing to lay down if you plan on wearing up the hair. Hair ViVi also wanted me to let you know, despite the pandemic hitting us hard, they have means of production to keep the making of lace wigs going. The production rate is low, but they still keep a emphasis on the quality for the customers, and they recommend to order wigs that are in stock. I hope you guys found some enjoyment in this video. I have more videos to come. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day.